Hi, my name is Laura and I'm here with my son Caleb today, and I want to show you how, using our crumble topping from Davison Orchards, you can make an apple crisp for you and your family in 5 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes depending on how many helpers you have. But this is found in the freezer section beside the bakery, and it's a very handy thing to have in your freezer so that you can make a delicious dessert so quickly. You can make a crisp using this crumble and any kind of fruit that you have on hand, fresh or frozen. We're going to make a 9 by 13 apple crisp, and we need literally 3 ingredients. Apples. These are mutsu and they're huge, so we actually only need 3. Normally, if you're using a regular size apple, probably 4. And cinnamon, and our apple crumble topping. And with these 3 things, we're going to make an apple crisp. You can use a knife or you can use a potato peeler. I like to use a potato peeler because this way you're not wasting any of the apple, because it just is going to take the skin off. It just bakes beautifully into a golden yellow color. So if you're making applesauce, this is my favorite apple for using applesauce because it just makes such a beautiful color when it cooks down. It doesn't brown a lot. It keeps its color very well, just naturally. I'm going to cut them into quarters. One of the awesome things when you're using such fresh tree-ripened fruit, then it's already got so much natural sugar in it that you don't need to add any sugar to this. Okay, Caleb, so we've got our 9 by 9, and I want you to dump my apples into the dish, please. Cinnamon and apples go so well together, so you certainly don't have to do this, but I like to add a little bit of cinnamon to my apples. So Caleb, you can just give us a couple of shakes on top. By stirring it a little bit, we'll just make sure that all the apples are covered in just a little bit of cinnamon. This is about 4 cups. So this will make 2 9 by 9 apple crisps or 1 9 by 13. We only need about 2 cups. So then I can save the rest of this, put it back in the freezer for the next crisp that I'm going to make. So our apple crumble is ready to go into the oven. So I'm going to put my apple crumble into the oven that's preheated to 375 degrees, and I'm going to set my watch for about 50 minutes. The cooking time depends a little bit on the variety of apples you have, and of course how deep of a dish you're using. But in this 9 by 9 with about 4.5 heaping cups, 50 minutes was perfect. Alrighty, so our apple crisp is going in the oven. Let's give this another check. Awesome, so my fork easily is pushed into the apples. I'm happy with that, so out it comes. Let's leave our crisp for about 10 minutes just so it can settle. And if you're doing a peach crisp or something with a little more juice, then that would help set the juice as well. This is our old-fashioned caramel. So we make this caramel from scratch at the farm. Maybe you've had it in the form of a caramel apple. It's great on drizzling over desserts, ice cream, or dipping apples in yourself. It's a little softer than the stuff that goes on the caramel apples. I'm going to put it in the microwave, warm it up for 40 seconds on about power level 5, and that'll warm it up just enough so that I can drizzle it on top, and that'll just finish off my apple crisp just perfect. All right, should I give it a try? All right, look out, this is very hot. So that's how you make an apple crisp using the crumble topping from the bakery. Fast and easy and absolutely delicious.